Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly adjust the SFX volume in Clash Royale on your iPhone or Android device. Are you looking for a neat way to make battles in Clash Royale more enjoyable without loud attack sounds or distracting effects? Well, adjusting the SFX sound effects volume can be of great help. It lets you control in-game sounds like card placements, explosions, and tower attacks while keeping the gameplay comfortable on both iPhone and Android. So whether you prefer quieter gameplay or want to hear every battle effect clearly, Clash Royale gives you simple audio control that can be changed anytime with utmost ease. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Clash Royale game on your device. And then you have to hit the three-line menu icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Then you have to hit the audio tab. Now you can choose to disable the SFX toggle, or you can use the slider to perfectly adjust the SFX sound in the game. And that's about it. As I said, fine-tuning the SFX volume to your heart's liking is a quick way to personalize your gaming experience on iOS and Android. By tweaking the sound effects label, you can enjoy smoother gameplay without unnecessary noise or distractions. And yes, you can always revisit the settings menu later to increase, lower, or even completely mute the SFX according to your preference. Now that you have unlocked this pretty helpful setting, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.